Feelings of not fitting in. The hard part with this one is that we want what? We want every kid to be liked by everybody. But we can't force someone to invite every kid in the classroom to their birthday party. That the idea that if you're going to bring a birthday invitation to school, you have to invite everybody in the class is absurd. Because kids' social friends and stuff are picked in school. And there are some kids that are not going to be as popular. I can have kids carry out the equipment. I can have kids have to ask kids for things to try to get them to interact. I can set up games so they take turns and stuff like that. I can teach you those skills. But yet there are some kids who aren't going to like that, right? Think about the kids that have the autism spectrum identification. Some of those kids actually prefer to play by themselves, don't they? And we have this weird philosophy that we have to make them play with others, that we're going to force them to be in a social group. That's not the way they're wired. So here's the thing. Our job is to teach you how to be social, how to interact in a small group, how to behave in the classroom. But we can't force you to want that.